Hey guys, happy Monday. I thought it would be fun to make some simple 4x6 mini journals to tuck in pockets. So I'll just show you how I make mine. So I have a 4x6 paper pad. Then I also have these 4x6 Project Life cards. So I'll start with one of these. So this one's already pre-folded, but I'm just gonna enforce it. So you can use any papers to put inside the little mini journal. I do this all by eyeballing. So I'm just going to fold this approximately where I think that just a hair less than this side, the width of that. These are super easy. I've made a million of them. They're kind of fun to just tuck into a pocket, have some extra writing space. Let's see. My cut job wasn't very good. Again, I'm just eyeballing this. You can make a mark. I usually go a little bit larger. Sorry about the bounciness. Let's see if it fits. So I'll make it a little shorter. See how that is. Okay. So then I just take my corner rounder around these. Stick that in there. I only did 2 sheets, but you can do many more. And then I flip it over. I take my stapler. You can do 1 staple or 2. Let's see. Oops, I kind of... Let me readjust. I usually, I do 2. And there you have it, just a cute little extra little mini journal. I brought some Distress Oxide over. You can just do the corners here. You could also distress the pages before you put them in. I did not, but that's okay. And you just tuck it. Of course, you could decorate the front, but let's do one with, let's see. Oh, I kind of like that. Maybe I'll do that one. How's the weather where you guys are? It's like, I'm in Michigan, it's 1 billion degrees out, 90s. Oh, humid. I didn't fold that very well. All right. You might be able to hear my Mr. Henry boy outside whining. Yep. He wants to play, but it is so hot. It's only 10 in the morning. All right, so I'm gonna do, I think I'll do some tea-dyed paper. So let's see. I'm gonna fold it like that and see if that would be, okay, so that's gonna be too big. I'll do that. In fact, you don't even have to use scissors for this. You could do, let me see if I have a ruler. Oh, where's my ruler? Well, I don't know where it's at, but you can use a ruler to tear this. Let me find my ruler. Okay, so I can't find my ruler, so that's unfortunate, but you could tear it with a wooden ruler, tear ruler, just to give it those, the funky edges. Let's see how my estimation went. Oh, it did pretty close there. All right, where's my cut? Let's see. Perfect. And then just round these, and I'll show you in a second. I just wanted to hop on and do this real quick because I was making some. Definitely not a new idea. It's just something easy and fun to kind of mass make if you felt like it. You could send these in Happy Mail. Oh, this might be, I'm not gonna be able to get my tape. There we go. Oops, that staple's not very great, but that's okay. So there's a cute little book. I think it would be more fun to put a few more pages in there, but for some reason I was doing 2 today. And you can do different book pages, like book pages, vintage papers, painty papers. Okay. And then take your little journal, tuck it in a pocket, and then you have some extra writing space. So, pretty neat. Okay. Let's do this polka dot one because it's cute. I kind of like the plain white pages in a way in it because it just gives it extra doodle space. Okay, so I'm just gonna try to do a few extra pages. Let's eyeball this. And of course the pages don't all have to be the same size. Really wish I had my ruler for tearing, but I don't, so here we are. My cutting is horrific. All right, let's see. Start with this. I know this is gonna be too big, yeah. All right. Oh, you know what I could do? Let's see. Maybe I'll use these. See if I can do it without tearing. There we go. All right, that'll work. I just gotta find the center. Oh, okay. All right, maybe I'll do blue on this one. You can make this be like a little tiny, cute little art journal to tuck in your art journal, and you know, maybe like be like a doodle space. I don't know. It's just an idea. Okay, my Henry's under my table and he moved my table, but there you have it. Cute little mini journals. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you later. Have a great Monday. Bye.